Why you dey buy fake product, yeah? Make you dey careful, no go damage your life. You've got one life to live.
Buy original.
You should know where to go. The SON. Don't touch, don't touch.
It's fake.
Don't touch, don't touch.
It's bad.
Don't touch, don't touch.
It hurts.
Don't touch, don't touch.
It destroys.
Don't touch, don't touch.
It kills.
You should know where to go. The SON.
It's becoming a must-have in almost every home, a necessity that both the poor and the rich strive to attain. This alternative power generating set is fast becoming an indispensable property in every home in the country. Yes, it's the power generating set, otherwise known in Nigeria as the generator. We will tell you all you need to know about this all-important machine, plus why you should never patronize dealers on substandard generator. It's Standard and You, and always my delight to bring the program to you. My name is Ifeyinwa Okonkwo. Please stay tuned.
I want a situation where in the future, when you see a son person, either in your market or in your shop or on the street, you bring him close to you and say, welcome, come, Bia, let's talk. Because it's your brother, it's your friend. But I cannot be your brother if you don't know I'm interested in protecting you. Like they say, when you were son, with Rando.
Welcome to the world of standard and quality, where we offer you information on product safety and quality. The program is Standard and You.
Choose life and live. Buy original. Be original. SON. The Standards Organization of Nigeria, SON, brings a new lease of life to Nigeria SMEs. SON has put a greater premium on developing standards to improve made in Nigeria products for export. We have developed more standards for products like sesame, cocoa, gari, and more, courtesy of our accredited state-of-the-art laboratories. In keeping with the federal government's ease of doing business, SON has simplified its processes and turned around time for SUNCAP, MANCAP, and other certification processes. SON has intensified market surveillance, raids, and seizures to reduce substandard products in circulation, and offenders shall be prosecuted. Join SON in ridding our nation of substandard products. If you see something, say something. Standards Organization of Nigeria, improving lives through standards.
Welcome back, and nice to know that you are watching Standard and You. As government strives to tackle challenges bedeviling the power sector, consumers' complaints are rife over the quality of the alternative power generating sets, popularly known as the generator. How do you determine a quality generator? What are the features to watch out for as a consumer when purchasing a generator? I have answers to these questions and other questions about this life-endangering products in this report put together by Alimot Osifo.
It's an alternative source of electricity found in almost every home or office in the country. The power generating set, or generator as it's fondly called in the country, come in different size, shape, and capacity. The bulk of these all-important products are imported into the country in different brands.
Tiger generator, Tiger, which is the smallest one. The size is 950, 9500. We have 1.9, that is the next one, 1900 watts. The output is 1.0. We have a 2.5 as well. 2.5 is the next stage, the third. And that one, after the 2.5, we have what we call 3000 size. 3000 size and 2.5 are almost the same. Difference they have is what? Coil. The coil is bigger than the 2.5. After then, we have the one we call GS270 by model, 3.8. 3.8. That one is a bigger unit, both in coil side and engine side. After that one, we have 3.9. That is 6.500. That one is the next. Bigger coil and bigger engine body. After that, we have the one we call 8,000. The output of that one is 6.0. The one of 7,000, the output is 5.5. But the one of 8,000, the output is 6.0. Then after that one, I have the latest one that is on vogue now. That one is called it 92. That one is 15,000 model, 1,500, 15,000 by model. The output of that one is 6.5, 6,500. The output 6.50.
Investigations by the SON revealed that some unscrupulous importers working with some selfish manufacturers are in the business of producing and distributing what has been established to be substandard generators. They are either not performing optimally or developing mechanical faults, even when they are purchased as brand new products.
The one that was there wasn't good, so I had to go around looking for one to buy. At various points I got bad ones. Eventually I had to go to one office under company to get an original part.
The new one I just bought now, I used to call the generator guy for every 2 weeks. But the one I bought before, for almost 3 months I will not service. But now, the one I just bought, at least 2 weeks, I'll call the generator man to come and service it.
At times, you will not carry a pumping machine. At times, you will not on two things at a time. And you'll be still feeling heat when you on a fan. So it's not okay.
One major problem faced by the SON over the years is over-declaration by importers.
The importers, manufacturers declare a capacity that the generator does not have. And in that case, when people buy, they always find problems with it that it cannot be used for the purpose for which they were purchased.
Like other products, especially life-endangering ones, the Standards Organization of Nigeria monitors the influx of generator into the country.
The standard provides us information of electrical parameters to be tested, performance to be tested, and of course, what is the manufacturer saying a generator can do, and then how safe is the generator. Those are 4 or 5 different parameters that are grouped to take. And looking at the marking, for instance, we look at the rated capacity of the generator. We look at the rated voltage, current, and then the frequency. All these are expected to be stated on the label, on the plate that is attached to the generator, and of course the country of origin. Where is it coming from? We need to know. Looking at the marking, for instance, an ordinary consumer may be able to have a fair knowledge of the fact that this generator is substandard. If it does not carry the country of origin, then we should suspect that because it's a requirement that internationally accepted that it must carry a country of origin. If the rated voltages, all the information about electrical information that are expected to be on the generator, if they are not there, then we should suspect that that product is substandard. And again, if it does not even have a name, because we have had cases where generators can come and they are unbranded. So you should obviously know that it's substandard.
The SON, through its sensitization, emphasized on the proper handling of the generator. This is because generator emits dangerous fumes that contains poisonous gases like carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. These gases are colorless and odorless. There's been reported cases of death resulting from inhaling gases from generator placed in an enclosed space in the house. And when it comes to maintaining the generator, consumers are advised to use SON-certified lubricants by reputable companies and not base oil sold in unregistered PET bottles.
It's a 2.5 kVA, so we will apply from the lowest load to the highest, up to the desired or the stated, the declared capacity of the generator. So if it gets up to the declared capacity, it means the generator has passed. But if it does not get to the declared capacity, then it has failed.
The Standards Organization of Nigeria is worried by the prevalence of substandard generator in the country. The agency has invested a lot to check the distribution and importation of these bad products into Nigeria, as explained by SON's head of electrical laboratory, Engineer Jerry Achema.
In the time past, one of the challenges we had was test equipment, but thanks to the management of the organization that has provided the test equipment for us, electrical loads used to be a problem, but now that we don't have problems with the testing anymore.
He disclosed that SON will continue to work with various market associations and relevant stakeholders, especially importers, to ensure that only standard generators come into the country. He acknowledged the huge economic implication of substandard generators on consumers and the nation as a whole, adding that it has more than ever become necessary to desist from such unpatriotic and selfish acts. Achema urged dealers on the product to put the interest of consumers above self. SON says it will continue to evolve measures to check the importation of substandard generators into Nigeria.
Muna fata shekaru na da za su zo, mutanen mu za su yi la'akari da aikin da muke yi, kuma za su lura cewa ya fi cancanta ka sai abu na kwarai da ka sai abu na arha.
Ka yi meze n'obodo anyị a, ka yi mee ka ihe a na-eme n'obodo anyị a, ma ihe a na-ebubata n'obodo anyị a ọ dị mma. Anyị na-ayọ biko ka anyị jikọọ aka, na-asị na ofu aka adịghị ekechi ngwugwu. Ka anyị jikọọ aka ka Nigeria wee wọrọ anyị obodo.
Ẹ ká lajú wálẹ̀ gbogbo tá a bá máa fowó wa rà ká rí pé o tó pé ojú òṣùwọ̀n èyí tí ò bá yé wa àgbẹ̀ tó bá mọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀ tó wà sọ́nà èyí tá a bá dẹ̀ rà tí ò bá pójú òṣùwọ̀n ẹ lọ sí standard organization iṣẹ́ rẹ̀ tó bá súnmọ́ yín jù ẹ lọ ṣàlàyé fún wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n á ràn yín lọ́wọ́.
Welcome to the world of standard and quality, where we offer you information on product safety and quality. The program is Standard and You.
Choose life and live. Buy original. Be original. SON.
The Standards Organization of Nigeria Mandatory Conformity Assessment Program was introduced in the country in 2006. It's a scheme that has continued to expose companies to modern techniques in production with special focus on quality of goods. Part of the objective of the scheme was to guarantee consumer satisfaction and quality assurance. Rivers and Bayelsa states are two locations in the country where indigenous producers of goods have been taking advantage of the scheme to enhance their manufacturing processes in line with acceptable standard. Danbest Company Limited and Greenville LNG are among beneficiaries of the scheme. Owners of these companies told Standard and You that the scheme has transformed their businesses, even as they admitted that the process of attaining the certificate was quite rigorous.
It has boosted our image. At least most clients now trust us trust our product because of the MANCAP certificate. And at least the business has moved from the level it were to an appreciable level now. At least we are getting clients even outside River State because of the MANCAP. Okay, because of the MANCAP, Nigeria Electricity Management Service Agency has also certified us. So, and we are getting customers from reliable companies. So that's one of the blessings we have received from the MANCAP certificate. And it has made us to know, to keep to our quality. So, and from time to time, your people are always here to monitor what we are doing. So it has been good.
We have been satisfied and have given the MANCAP certification. It's a sort of endorsement that we have met all requirements by the government regulators, and it gives a higher level of confidence to our customers and we now envisage more patronage based on such recognition. ISO is implemented, and that makes us acceptable globally. Without the SON, there will be reservations on products because we are not sure if they have passed through the scrutiny. But with this endorsement now, people who are not aware, who has reservation, will now say, okay, if someone has endorsed this product, then we have no option, it's of standard. The endorsement, it worth celebrating because it brings to the knowledge of the locals that our product is worth using. So it's going to boost the image of the company, and it's going to draw more customers to us because of the endorsement.
More and more companies in the region are taking advantage of government support provided by the SON to reposition their businesses and strengthening areas of comparative advantage to be relevant in the global markets. 60 companies have so far been awarded the MANCAP certificate.
It cut across different sectors, not just one area. You see the food industry, you see the mechanical product, you see the oil and gas. It cut across. So it's really, the impact of SON is really felt in Rivers State by this certification. And to bring out 40 certificates for companies at a time is really a very big effort. It serves also as an advertisement or a kind of awareness of SON activities in Rivers State. People now get to know that there is an organization that monitors the quality of products produced in Rivers State for them. And that's why the slogan of SON is improving lives through standards. So this program is actually very significant to us.
Like in other parts of the country, the agency's state coordinator disclosed that local manufacturers are still grappling with consumers' penchant for imported goods, a problem the SON, he explained, is tackling through its technical support. He said Standards Organization of Nigeria will continue to engage market associations, members of the public, and other stakeholders on the need to be quality conscious. According to him, the good news is that all of these efforts by the agency is fast changing consumers' apathy for made-in-Nigeria products.
This device is essentially a lifesaver when there is a blackout. It's the primary source of electricity supply during power outages. The generator converts fuel supply, usually propane, diesel or gasoline, into electrical energy. I'm glad to tell you I'll be sharing 5 standard tips on the power generator right after responding to your messages. My name is Halimot Osifo. Welcome. Tijani Adebisi from Ogun State says, I love your program. Please, how can I identify a fake gas cylinder? Thank you so much, Tijani. Identifying fake or substandard gas cylinder may require certain laboratory tests and analysis. But you are advised to buy brand new gas cylinders certified by the Standards Organization of Nigeria from reputable stores. Victor from Uyo says, please, where is your office in Akwa Ibom? Thank you. SON Akwa Ibom State Office is at rooms 323 to 325 Federal Secretariat Complex, Uyo. Captain from Jos says, I watch your program and I wish you good luck. Thank you so much. It's nice to hear from you. Edward from Warri says, what is the program about? Thank you so much. Standard and You is a public sensitization program sponsored by the Standards Organization of Nigeria to educate you on products you buy, sell, and consume, with special focus on product quality and safety. Promise says you are doing well. Thank you so much, Promise. We hope to serve you better. Now to 5 standard tips on the power generator. Know how much power you need to run your appliances to determine the size and capacity of generator to buy. Buy new power generators certified by the Standards Organization of Nigeria from reputable stores. Never run your generator indoor or in an enclosed space. so you don't breathe in deadly carbon monoxide. Do not overload your generator by operating more appliances than the output rating. Ensure you inspect and service your power generator regularly. There you have it, 5 standard tips on the power generator. And that's the much you can take on this week's episode of your favorite public sensitization program, Standard and You. 0705-972-4455 is the number to send in your messages to with your full name and location. Follow us on Facebook at Standard and You, Instagram and Twitter at Standard and You _. You can catch up with missed episodes online at youtube.com/Standard and You. Don't just view, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. As always, buy original, sell authentic, and use only the best. Thanks and have a great week.
Why you dey buy fake product, yeah? Make you dey careful, no go damage your life. You've got